Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best cocoa powder. So let's get started. Number 7. Hershey's Special Dark Baking. The Hershey's Dutch Cocoa is formulated as a sugar-free and fat-free powder specifically for baking. This dark cocoa is derived from cacao and has a rich chocolatey taste. It is versatile and can be used on a wide range of recipes, including baking and beverages. It is ideal for vegans and people who are health conscious. Number 6. Berry Cocoa Powder. The Berry Extra Brut Cocoa Powder has a rich chocolate taste and flavor. It can be added to coffee, used to make hot cocoa, or for baking. It is soy-free, vegetarian, kosher, and non-GMO. Since it is brut, it has a high fat content. Number 5. Navitas Organics Cacao Powder. The Navitas Organics Cacao Powder is made from unroasted, cold-pressed organic cacao beans. It is more nutritious than regular cocoa, with a higher content of magnesium, iron, fiber, and flavonols. The 100% cacao powder can be used in a wide range of recipes, including smoothies, hot chocolate, brownies, and oatmeal, among others. Number 4. Rodelle Gourmet Baking. This is a Dutch processed baking cocoa powder. It is dark with a rich chocolate flavor. It can be used to make smoothies, cocoa beverages, and brownies, among other recipes. It is non-GMO and gluten-free. Number 3. Ghirardelli Unsweetened Dutch. The Ghirardelli Unsweetened Natural Cocoa Powder is packaged in a resealable bag for easy scooping, measuring, and storage. It can be used in molten chocolate cakes and brownies among other recipes. It has an intense cocoa taste. Number 2. Valrhona Pure Cocoa Powder. This is a 100% Dutch processed cocoa powder with a rich taste and fine texture. It is sugar-free. It can be used for making mousse, hot chocolate, truffles, and gourmet recipes, among others. Number 1. Chatfields Cocoa Powder. Chatfields cocoa powder is natural and unsweetened. It can be used in beverages or baking recipes. It has a rich brown color and an intense chocolate flavor. It is low-fat and rich in iron.